Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
A MAC address is a 12-hexadecimal identifier assigned to a network adapter, used to identify hardware on local networks. This permanent hardware ID looks like 00, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, and helps routers map devices. It is unique per adapter but can be spoofed in software. You use a MAC address to configure access control lists, set DHCP reservations, or troubleshoot connectivity. It is different from an IP address because it operates at the link layer while IP works at the network layer. To find a MAC address on Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all to list adapters and MAC addresses. Scan the output for physical address. Alternatively, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, choose your adapter, then click Advanced Options to view the MAC labeled as physical address. The MAC appears formatted like 00-1A2B3C4D5E on Windows. You can copy that string to set a DHCP reservation, or to add the device to router access control lists for filtering or monitoring. On Mac OS, open System Settings, select Network, choose your adapter, and view the MAC listed as Wi-Fi address or Ethernet address. You can also open Terminal and run network setup get MAC address and 0 or ifconfig to display the address. In Linux, open Terminal and run iplink or ifconfig. The MAC appears as ether or link/ether next to the interface name. Note you can temporarily change or spoof the MAC for testing, but persistent changes require configuration edits or driver support and may require sudo privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.